In today's video, let's talk about how to get a Temu refund without returning the item. Now this is a tricky situation. In order to get your refund even without returning the items entirely depends on the product that you currently have. So what you need to verify is that first of all you head over to the use section, head over to your orders, and then just select the item that you purchase. Once you're inside of the return or refund section, you can check the boxes next to the items you are unhappy with. So just pick the items that you're trying to get a refund from, and then you need to select a valid reason, which may be defective or the product simply does not work, and then you'll need to upload a clear evidence of the pictures that show the product has a defect. Only once you add in these pictures, you'll need to send these pictures to Temu, and after selecting your preferred refund method, the app will display the confirmation screen. Item does qualify for a refund. A notice will say that the no refund is needed. So only in these situations you'd be able to get a Temu refund without returning the items. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.